Let's get ready for the awareness exercise. This exercise will help you connect within to your own self, making you more aware of the nature of your physical and mental experiences. Choose a place where you are safe and secure so that you can easily connect to yourself by merely closing your eyes. Sit in any comfortable position to maintain an upright posture so that you can easily focus on what's going on inside you. Remain physically still but mentally alert throughout this exercise so that you can experience a deeper connection with your own self. You can practice this exercise regularly to improve your self-awareness. Listen to my voice and my voice alone as I guide you to an experience of your own self-awareness. Now that you are ready, you can start by connecting to your natural state, a neutral state of being. Take a deep breath and start to focus your attention focusing on the feelings within. Take a few more deep breaths until you feel safe, secure, and comfortable. Once you begin to notice the air that moves freely in and out of your body, you may also observe the air passing through your nostrils and the friction of the air as it passes through your nostrils. Air moving in the abdomen region and the movement of your abdomen. Maybe some thoughts that may need your attention once you complete this exercise. Maybe some sensations in some parts of your body, some sort of energy, this energy that is flowing throughout the body. All experiences are normal. As you accept the experience as is, you experience peace within. As you continue to focus your attention on your breath, you can easily experience this relaxed state, a normal and natural state of being. As you inhale, become aware that you can effortlessly experience this neutral state of your being whenever you want by merely taking a few deep breaths. Now, let's experience a deeper natural state of being. With each breath, focus your attention in your body. With each breath, you may be noticing the feelings in your body. Start by observing the feelings on the top of your head. Now move lower to your forehead. Move further down to your eyelids, your nose, your ears, your lips, your chin, and your facial muscles. Shift your attention to the back of your head. Let go of any tension that may be there in your neck and let this relaxation flow into your body. Feel the relaxation in the right shoulder, right upper arm, right elbow, right forearm, right palms, each finger of the right hand. Similarly, notice the relaxation flowing through the left shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, palm, and each finger of the left hand. Observe the relaxation flowing through your shoulders, chest, abdomen, and your back. Let go any tension in your spine and feel the relaxation radiating through the top of your spine to the bottom of the spine. As you become aware of the contact of your buttocks with the seat, allow the weight and tension to disappear to the ground through your seat. Notice the relaxation flowing lower into the right thigh, right knee, right calf muscles, right ankle, right foot, and each toe of the right foot. Similarly, notice the relaxation flowing to the left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, and each toe. Notice complete relaxation as any remaining unwanted energy flows through the sole of your feet. With each exhalation, notice the flow of relaxation from the top of the head to the toes and fingers. With each inhalation, notice the amplification of the relaxation flowing into your body from your toes and fingers and rising to the top of your head. As you continue to observe the feelings from head to toe, feeling more and more relaxed, you may begin to notice the rhythm of your breath. As you continue to focus your attention on your breath, you may soon begin to observe the deepening of the relaxation throughout the body like you experience in sleep. As you take another breath, make a note in your mind that you can effortlessly experience this deep natural state of your being whenever you want by merely taking a few deep breaths. As you begin to experience the deep natural state of your being, you may begin to notice the nature of your experience. When you begin to effortlessly watch your breath, you easily notice the automatic nature of your breath. As you watch the automatic nature of your experience, you easily notice the nature of your feelings. As you watch your feelings closely, you may notice some physical sensations in some parts of your body. As you watch your mind, you may notice some mental sensations in your mind. As you become distinctly aware of each momentary experience, you become aware of the automatic changes in these feelings from one moment to another moment. As you continue to be distinctly aware of your feelings, you are easily aware of the involuntary nature of these feelings. As you observe these involuntary or automatic changes in your being, you become easily aware of their temporary nature. Whenever you focus your attention within, you can easily become aware of the thoughts in your mind. As you continue to observe your mind, you may want to name the experience for future recall. Once you decide to let go this tendency to label the experience, it becomes effortless for you to notice the moment-to-moment changes in your mind. Whenever you are alert and aware, you can easily notice the temporary nature of these feelings. As you fully accept the nameless, temporary, and involuntary nature of your natural experience, you may feel somewhat disassociated from the feelings, the physical sensations, the mental sensations, these moment-to-moment changes, and witness all that is happening within you with ease. The more and more you realize the involuntary nature of these sensations in your body and mind, the more you realize their temporary nature. The more and more you realize the involuntary and temporary nature of the feelings, more and more you become aware of the process of witnessing the changes in the feelings. As you continue to witness the changes in the feelings, you become aware that I am not the feelings. As you continue to be aware and realize that I am not the feelings, you realize you are neither the thoughts that come along with the feelings. As you begin to easily and naturally see yourself as a witness of the thoughts and feelings, you realize that you are neither the thoughts nor the feelings. When, as an experiencer, you continue to witness and dissociate further and further from the experience, dissociating more and more from this temporary and involuntary experience, I realize that I am more and more of a knower. I am the knower of the process of experiencing the breath, the sensations, the feelings, and the thoughts. I am the knower of my experience and the experiencer. I realize that I am the knower of the mind of the experiencer that experiences the experience. Like a dream experience, I know that my mind is the experiencer of the dream. When I wake up from my dream, I still know. When I wake up from my deep sleep, I still know I exist. As a knower of all that exists within, I connect to existence itself. As I fully witness my awareness, I experience existence. As I am aware of the nature of existence, I experience the nature of joy. Take a few moments to experience the deep joy within. As you experience this unending source of joy, let it swell within and fill you up completely. As this joy begins to overflow, think of how you can serve the world once you are awake again. You can choose to be in this state of self-awareness or choose to wake up with a smile on your face. If you wish to wake up, you can start to feel your body. Remember the place you sat at the beginning of the exercise, bringing your hands together, rub them a little, cover your eyes with your palms, gently open the eyes, smile, and awaken completely.